Imagine waking up every morning to a new view, one day, the mountains, the next, the ocean. No rent, no property tax, no noisy neighbors stomping above your head. Just you, your wheels, and the open road. That's the dream, right? But here's the secret, it doesn't have to stay a dream. You don't need a six-figure RV or a massive bank account to make it real. Affordable RV living is changing the way people think about home, freedom, and happiness. Now, I know what you're thinking, RV living sounds amazing, but isn't it expensive? The truth is, it can be, but it doesn't have to be. There are people out there living full-time in beautifully converted vans and budget-friendly RVs for less than what most spend on rent in a month. And they're not just surviving, they're thriving. Picture this, you buy a used RV for a fraction of the cost of a tiny apartment. You take a weekend, grab some paint, maybe a few wood panels, and suddenly, you've got your own cozy home on wheels. Solar panels on top keep your lights and fridge running. A small propane stove keeps you cooking your favorite meals. You're free, completely free, from monthly bills and the endless grind of rent and utilities. But the real beauty of affordable RV living isn't just the savings, it's the life it opens up. You can park beside a forest, wake up to birds singing, and sip your coffee while the mist rolls off a lake. You can drive across the country, chasing sunsets and stories. You don't need to wait for vacation, your life becomes one. Of course, it's not all sunshine and Instagram moments. You'll face challenges, finding safe places to park, learning how to manage water, or dealing with cold nights. But every challenge brings a new skill, and every mile teaches you something about yourself. You start realizing how little you actually need to be happy. You trade stuff for experiences, walls for horizons, and stress for peace. The best part? You get to design your life your way. Want to live by the beach for a month? Do it. Want to park deep in the woods and unplug? Go for it. Affordable RV living isn't just about saving money, it's about buying back your freedom. So if you've been dreaming of a simpler, freer life, maybe it's time to stop scrolling and start planning. Because somewhere out there, the road is waiting, the air feels different, and the stars shine a little brighter when your home has wheels. And who knows, maybe the next sunrise you see will be from your own tiny rolling home, proof that freedom doesn't come with a price tag, just a full tank of gas and a brave heart ready to roll.